We've taken a look at how we can share the whiteboard, how we can have people follow us, but what about if I want to share the whiteboard as an image? I want to save the work we've done. This can be very useful if we worked on a whiteboard together. I don't necessarily want to share the whiteboard or keep it on my OneDrive, but I do want to create a copy. I could even use this if I wanted to print the whiteboard so that we could have a physical copy of the whiteboard. Well, to do this, all I'll need to do is go into my settings menu and choose the export option. And when you choose the export option, you can export the whiteboard as an image, or you can export it out as a PDF. You can even do a full export where it has all of the comments and everything as a JSON file. So you can have all the links and everything that you use there so that you can export it and then maybe import it into another application, because that JSON file does contain the data of the comments and such. So that's a little bit interesting if we're doing data analysis on top of our whiteboard. So if you have a collaborative whiteboard with a lot of comments about things, we can actually extract the data. Now that's beyond the scope of this course. That's more business intelligence and data analysis. So we'll go ahead and we'll look at exporting as an image. Now when I export as an image, I do get a couple of interesting options. I can do a standard image. That's going to be good if I'm going to email it around or distribute it in that manner. But I can also do a high resolution image. And that might result in a larger size of file. If I have the network to support that, I can share that around. Or if I'm going to print it, I might want to go ahead and use the high resolution image instead. Once I export it, it'll export that image, and then what I'll be able to do is then take the image that's been exported. You can see I've got it here in my downloads folder. I now have my session as a PNG file. If I actually open that file, you'll see that I have my whiteboard. It'll open up with an application such as Microsoft, whatever application I have that opens PNG files. So you can see here I've got my whiteboard in here, and then that can be further processed and further used as an image. So that's a great way to get your whiteboard out of the whiteboard environment and into an image, a PDF, or even a JSON file.